Many people think healing must be dramatic. Crying loudly. Announcing transformation. Proving something to the world. But real healing often looks quiet. It looks like a woman waking up early to rebuild her life one step at a time. It looks like learning new skills, saving small amounts consistently, studying instead of complaining, choosing peace instead of reacting to noise. Real healing is discipline disguised as calmness. If you are rebuilding your life quietly, comment quiet strength. Scammer warning. This page does not request money or investments through comments.